wish I had my jackets back. Ooh, we were here like in one of my first vlogs. Pretty crazy. On the road again. So the other day I invited everybody to go to the fair, right? There's a fair on Tweedy, the main street, and you know, kind of canceled it because nobody could go, and then I guess somebody didn't get the memo. So guess who showed up? So this is like the third time that Maurice and I are going to an amusement park together, and it's just us out of like the 7 of us in our group of friends. So you know, I hate Maurice. Oh my god! Oh my god! Man, it's thicker than Santa Monica out here. Zombies? Hey everybody! Alright, my dad sells barber supply, right? And he's betting that he's gonna go into this barber shop and they're gonna know who he is. Go. Oh, I lost what? Bro. What? Where'd you come from? That's my nephew Jasper. We're going back. Honestly, I expected to get a lot more footage, but you know, whatever, because we met up with my sister and they were on their way back already, and so we're going back. And what this fair is, it's called the Tweedy Mile Fair. It happens every summer, like the beginning of June summer, and what it is, it's a mile-long fair, and it's pretty cool, right, Maurice?
Yeah, I was expecting to meet some girls, but you know, man.
Change your plans. This is what's gonna happen. We're gonna go home, but my sister like met up with some of her friends. She has friends, right? That's crazy. And they're gonna go walk around. So me and Maurice, we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna meet up with them. And the end. Maurice found some of the family, and then this dog is gonna kill Filander'S dog. He's 7 months old.
It's okay, he don't bite.
And he's 120 pounds. Maurice weighs 120 pounds, but he don't bite though. He's okay. His name is, I think, Lurshak from Tarzan. Okay. Dang, dude, his paws are bigger than my hand. Hey, Maurice, I'll say, hey, get it, Maurice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Welcome back. Maurice and I have to pee really bad, and my sister's here. And then there's Maurice.
Why are you gonna make them sound?
Maurice, go say hi to her. Go hit on her. Hit on her.
No, stop.
Nah, that was weird.
No, it ain't. Hey, go Sarah, stunt walk. Go.
What?
Go. Flan it, Sarah, go. Flan it. Maurice got a haircut, and now he's gonna shower. And after that, I don't know what's gonna happen.
I'm gonna brush my teeth, that's what.
Oh yeah, Maurice is gonna brush his teeth because he got braces now. Okay, so Maurice and I are walking to Burger King back to the fair because we're hungry. Well, Maurice is hungry. I'm kind of hungry, I guess. But you know, we might die, I hope. Wow, we're back again. Happy birthday. Yeah, Burger King's that way. Oh, we could just cut through here. We decided not to cut through because, I don't know. We're home. I didn't record us walking back because it was really hot and I was carrying a bunch of stuff. I'm really tired. Right, Maurice? Alright, it's the next day. Maurice is gone. We're going to the Science Center. Happy birthday.
Go inhale it and then try to blow little O's.
No.
I want someone to do it. So boring. I was like,
Whoa. 35 other people joined us. Like, what happened? Pablo, what? Oh my god. Oh.
Thank you.
I got picked it up. So we're going home now. So I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you guys so much. If you like it, do it. Don't forget to subscribe, share with friends, and that. See you guys next time. Peace out.